Okay, so what we got next, still going back to the same button because there's still a couple of very important things here for you to consider. And the next one, again, coming back to the options, is to make sure you're aware of the hotkeys. Now, I do not, you can overwrite the hotkey settings. I don't do that at all. I'm not going to make a big thing about all the hotkeys. This one's an absolutely vital one. If you're doing a recording, you need to pause F9 and then you press F9 again and it starts. That is absolutely vital because you might be doing the training videos and you're just about to explain something and you can't remember it, and so you click on F9, then you don't have to panic. Then click on F9 once you've got your breath back and continue. And that's so seamless that I use it all the time, and often when I play back the videos I can't even notice myself where I've used it. So that is a vital one. Another vital one is this one, which is F10, and F10 will stop your recording. So you're recording away, you don't have to click on the stop button when you're doing your recording. Just to stop the recording, click on F10. Now I'm going to talk about just one more, and that's the marker. Now this is Control M. Now the reason for that may be that while you're doing your videos, at a certain point you want to put a marker down because afterwards you're going to put something there at the editing stage. It might be a call out, it might be a smart focus, it might be something to do with some subtitles that you want to put in place. You may decide at that point you want to have a marker. Markers are simply points on the timeline, so when the video is produced there's a timeline where you will be adding additional stuff. Now if you was a coder, those markers could then be used for coding. In other words, you could actually see at marker 1 do such and such, or at marker 1 do such and such. Now because Camtasia doesn't work with coding, it's more going to be the things that you put at that point. Now I'm going to say that I rarely use it. I do occasionally use it, but the two that I use all the time are stop and record and play. Now there are other ones as well. I've never made use of those, so I'm not going to go through them, but certainly remember F9 and F10, and it's very convenient that it's just the one button click as well. But the annoying thing about the marker one, and of course you can overwrite it if you want, you can actually change it by setting it to be, for example, M, and clicking on OK, and then the marker would then just be clicking on M without having to click the control button. So you can overwrite your tool controls if you want to.